DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
YouTube, what's good? You don't know where I deal with it. Yeah. Yo, a tile. Yeah man, the saga continues, gang. If you don't know what I'm talking about, yo, we've been checking out one artist from the Gaza and the Pomo Empire that a lot of people don't talk about lately. You see me, I say one of the underdogs or underrated artists on the Gaza and the Gaza our Empire team. You see me, one of Kartel's students. Or some people I say even Kartel co-owner, co-leader. You see me, of the Gaza Nation. We're there with Deva Bratt. You see me, out there with Letter from Hell Part 2. You don't know what's going on. We've been checking out Deva Bratt, been dropping a series of tracks and diss towards Vybz Kartel and Shawn. You see me, one of them was Homage and the other was Letter from Hell. And here he looked like he's back with the Letter from Hell Part 2. Letter from Hell Part 2, and people, the reason why these tracks we've been paying attention is because, yo, when I make some serious accusation and drop some serious, I tell you some serious things in these songs. You see me, and my this up Kartel and Shawn and Wicked. It's a whole crazy situation, gang. You see me, I say, but yeah, dog drop Part 2 like a day ago. Should have been reactive, but check it out right now and swear dog a deal. See what you see me, see what continue in the saga. But we now will provide much, I'll jump right in that track. Deva Bratt, Letter from Hell Part 2, let's get it.
Actually, crucial conflict.
Looks like he's on the same rhythm as Part 1.
Yo, Kartel, I made this a lizard. You know you're a genius, Einstein wizard. Me know say you're cool like blizzard, but down a hell at the cheese bottom clocks, them I got dissolve.
Come in, no?
Me glad say you bust the case and it resolve. Me barefoot, them take with the sneakers them when me did have. A Gaza me say, bust it.
Me barefoot, them take with the sneakers them when me did have. Just be clear on the sneakers them and talk about. Come on.
Squeeze triggers, me they are still a bonus fifth, me and 2 killers. Letter from L, letter from L. Letter from L, letter from L. Letter from L. Letter
from L, and also letter from the letter L. You know, a lizard. So wicked play our words. No?
Letter from L. Letter from L. Letter from L. My mother did
lizard to Kartel.
that show me, but me couldn't see the vision. Me no know if you do maths, me don't know the vision. You know man a yes man, badness religion. But me and a boss, me no make no decision. Stick a pint, thumb tack. Star man, you call my phone and say come chat.
That's crazy. Man say stick a thumb tack. Damn, you call my phone say come chat. There's chance I'm gonna tell Lizard for hey.
They tell us that the thing them a go run back. But as me reach at the gate, so you turn back. Walk one.
They say the thing them a go run back. Dog talk about the shoes them. When I'm reaching again, dog, you turn back. What happen?
Me never know. Me young go concern how my daughter grow. Me hear ya the new name for loyalty. Me want know if my friends are for 4 is a show. Oh, you know man.
Ja. That means the chance I'm gonna show loyalty to. Hey,
not bitter dog. Anything wrong, no say me never jitter dog. Even though nobody they even get a button picture dog. Tell Sir P and Deva say now wait for no video call. Now Wi-Fi not there.
Wait for no video call. No Wi-Fi not there. Hell.
Yeah. Letter from L. 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 Letter from L.
Okay, cause this for Part 2 I go kick in now. Come on.
Like none there but space, they don't have theme. Every day, Natty and Jackie warring at the scheme.
Hold on, tell Tommy Lisa.
From L, letter from L. Tell Tommy right like none there but space, they don't have theme. Every day, Natty and Jackie warring at the scheme. A capper run the canteen. Me cite Michael Lynch. I'm a
say yo, tell Tommy Lee, say yo. Bright line no there about space, they have
on the football team. Masicka living a dream at the bus stop. The bus back, that's why him no go in. But him have the clutch back, plus clock, buck shots, and couple of that shot with Freedom Street go hard, my dog. And a pram push.
Wait. Well, I want to see where this a go. Where is this going? Let me see a Masicka, wait.
Masicka live in a dream at the bus stop. The bus
Hold on there.
scheme. A capper run the canteen. Me cite Michael Lynch. I'm a run the football team. Masicka live in a dream at the bus stop. The bus back, that's why him no go in. But him have the clutch back plus.
When is that Masicka at least live?
I'm a run the football team. Masicka live in a dream at the bus stop. The bus back, that's why him no go in. But him have the clutch.
I remember say Masicka live in a dream at the bus park. That's why I no go in. When I try to say because Masicka will be the king.
Clutch back plus clock. Buck shots and couple of that shot with Freedom Street go hard, my dog. And no pram push. Me did the devil night side the match. So the devil nah pardon your soul if it nah sell. How about you?
How do you, where I say? Hold on there. Hold on there. You gotta remember this a letter from Lizard. So Lizard is saying the day Freedom Street right next to Mad Sauce. Yeah, what?
And couple of that shot with Freedom Street go hard, my dog. And no pram push. Me did the devil night side the match. So the devil nah pardon your soul if it nah sell. How about you? You book up on Marcel. No man a done.
Say yo. We did it right there so next to Mad Sauce, dog. Cause devil now pardon your soul if you not, yo.
Man already you make a spell. My father, what under your nose where you want smell? Boom boom, our corpse anywhere. When you're tuned.
How are the blows and no? And they say yo dog, what that under your nose where you want smell? Eh?
It nah sell. How about you? You book up on Marcel. No man a dunce, man already you make a spell. My father, what under your nose where you want smell? Boom boom, our corpse anywhere. When your tune play, don't you turn up on the bar shell. What do you me talk to Luke?
The man say yo, when the tune play down here in the bar shell, let me say yo, Kartel music I play a hell. Jeez and peace.
Lucifer him say Lucifer I want true sinner. Inna the paper where the tragic news inna. You do 13 years for ya use bima. I claim you a zombie. You crit.
How are the blows? Yo, no. This man say yo, you see Lucifer, and I say Lucifer is a true sinner. You can take 13 years for your old bima. Jesus Christ.
No man a dunce, man already you make a spell. My father, what under your nose where you want smell? Boom boom, our corpse anywhere. When your tune play, don't you turn up on the bar shell. What?
Man say anywhere when you don't hear when your tune play, please turn up on the bar shell. Kartel music I play a hell. Jesus.
You me talk to Lucifer, him say Lucifer I want true sinner. Inna the paper where the tragic news inna. You do 13 years for ya use be man. I claim you a zombie. You critter, come out past stage like a cruise shipper.
Nah man, Deva. Hey, yo, y'all new artists need to learn how to throw this. This is how you throw this. Man even cuss about what I tell you suck your mother or nothing but man like this. When I say yo that you're choosing you're sell out. Man call out people if you can say yo, hey, go on.
Apart from Waterford school, nigga. Me no fool with the tool. I need a pool. Letter from L. Letter from L.
Yo, letter from L. You don't play with it. Hey, you don't play with Deva Bratt, you know, man. Come on.
Letter from L. Letter from L. Letter from L. Letter from L. Letter from L.
Vybz Kartel.
In the early morning, dog. Jesus and peace. Hey, come
Letter from L. 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 Letter from L.
Vybz Kartel.
Jesus and peace. Come on.
Yo, Kartel, I made this a lizard. You know you're a genius, Einstein wizard. Me know say you cool like blizzard, but down a hell at the cheese bottom clocks, them I got dissolve. Me glad say you bust the case and it
The dog I talk about, you know, the clocks, man, and talk about, don't make you go ahead.
resolve. Me barefoot, them take with the sneakers, them when me did have. A Gaza, me say, boss head, squeeze triggers. Me they are still a bonus list, me and 2 killers. Letter from
Jeez.
L. Letter from 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 L, letter from L.
Jaja, man, they are lizard, they are, well, we just look on the artwork, so lizard, they are jail or hell, Jesus and peace. So look at it, I got the bar, I say, you know, man, hell in there, you know, the devil say, they are jail or hell, brother, Jesus. Yeah, man, gang, you don't know, Deva Bratt, letter from hell, part 2. Yeah, man, letter from Vybz Kartel, Shawn, Masicka get a piece. Who else? Mad Sauce. Hey, Deva Bratt go hard, man. You see me and say, yeah, man, gang. We don't think about the one in the comment section. If you like it, if you show that, so no one spoon, make you know, say the dance, you know. You see me, gang. 2025, gang. Road to 10K. I'm trying to 10K before my birthday, January 30th, gang. Can you help me out with that? I think, you know, that would be the greatest gift. Right now, I'm only 35 subs away from 35 or 32 subs away from 8K. So right now me only have 2,035 subs to go to 10K, man. If you get 2K subs in a month, that would be great. That would be the best Christmas gift, New Year's gift, and birthday present. But yeah, man, till next time, gang, take care of yourself and each other. You don't know. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.